Hi, I'm going to show you how you can make a Nespresso cappuccino. This is the Nespresso cappuccino machine. As you can see, it's got a espresso button, like a long goal button, and a cappuccino button at the top. And let me just focus in. Gonna focus. There we go. So it's a nice compact machine, it's very quick, it's easy to clean, not really much mess. You fill this little container with milk. And then from the container you have this little bit what sits on top of it. And this is where the milk pours out of. And all you do is just put the lid on, click into the machine. So I've got a coffee pod, put that in, put on the lid, and then you just select what coffee drink you want. So I want a cappuccino. So basically you've got to wait till these lights stop flashing. As you can see, the cappuccino one takes the longest to do because I think it's got to get the milk, it's got to get hotter so the milk can get even hotter. So that's done. So as you can see now, all you do, press this, or press that button, sorry. And that is it. So if I do a close up, so basically within what, a minute you got yourself a nice frothy cappuccino. Would I recommend this Nespresso machine? Yes, I would. I think it's an excellent Nespresso machine. It's quick at making just espressos and lungos, and the variety of coffee pods you can get is great. You can get Starbucks or Costa's, or there's many generic coffee pods that you can use with the Nespresso. Where I find a lot of the other machines you can't use those other coffee pods. But I hope you like this video, and I hope you find it useful. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.